Tonight, Rockford Police arrest a man they say strangled a nurse in a local hospital. 62-year-old Delbert Brown is charged with a hate crime and multiple aggravated battery charges. Officers say they were called to Swedish American Hospital on East State Street for reports of an attack. It began when Brown called a nurse a racial slur. This is according to authorities. Court records say Brown then wrapped the victim's stethoscope around her neck and started to strangle her. He is in the Winnebago County Jail tonight.